This is the 2019 VANBASE build in a 144 Sprinter 2-wheel drive. We got a full kitchen, dinette, sleeping for 3. I'll start with the kitchen here. We got the stove is actually in a little cubby here. This slides out. It's alcohol stove, marine alcohol stove. That comes out, goes up on top of the counter, where you can, cook on top of the counter with either with the door open or with the door closed. We have the fan, the venting is right here. And we have, and then it doesn't rattle around while you're on. It's got compression locks on all the latches. You've got a diesel heater that runs off of the diesel gas tank. And it produces heat for 22 hours for just 1 gallon of fuel. So we got a drawer fridge here, so you can slide it out so you don't have to bend over and get in there. I got a freezer, pull out, got movable pieces to store your food. We got built-in cabinets for your utensils. We have a knife, two butter knives, 2 forks, 2 spoons, all built in. So you go down the road, there's no rattling. There's also compression latch on those. And we've got 2 plates, 2 bowls, 2 cups. It's a little extra space you can put. Got a pot holder in there. And we've got some cookware down here with a nice all-clad pot and a stainless or a cast iron pan and a French press. See that it's tucked in there. And here we got the sink. We've got a marine grade stainless steel sink. It's deep. It's a foot pump, so you have control over how much water usage you have, not leaving the water running. And you have both hands to be able to use. Down here we have 2 army tanks. You can see this. 2 army tanks with fresh water and your gray water. This push button pops off. Push back on, a quick release. And then we've got over here, we've got the electrical panel. We've got Blue Seas 360 panel with all of our electrical switches for lights and fan and DC outlet, the refrigerator, the heater, and the garage lights. And we've got our amp meter, voltmeter. We've got our Webasto heater. This is what we control the thermostat for the heater. This is our main power switch. And then we have some more storage under here. This is a big, nice place to put a lot of electronics or other dry storage. And we have more storage under here. It's more pantry or more dry storage for your gear. And then we have the dinette here, which this folds down into a 3rd bed, but also has lots of storage in it. So I'll show you the bed. So we unlock this guy. Push this guy down here. Lock it, and then we just put these down. This guy comes off. Got a hatch that comes off here. We got a little bit of storage, and this is where your feet go. So it's a foot hatch for sleeping. I can show how we set it. Fit all the way down lengthwise. So it's full 80-inch, queen size bed length. you know, not just a kid bed, but a full adult-sized bed. And then we have the extra storage. Let's put this back up. This guy comes in. Blankets and sheets. And the table's gas, so when you unlock it, it's straight up. And then we have tons of storage in here. So we have, below each seat we have some drop storage with lots of deep space for gear bags or food storage or whatever kind of storage you need for your trips and adventures. We got down here, we have drop hatches that have more storage for canned goods and food for like pantry. Those are some drop hatches as opposed to the compression latches that are on the other one. We have another hatch here for another drop hatch. Some more storage that actually goes all the way back into the garage area for another deep storage, drop storage. And then back here we've got the main platform bed that sleeps 2 people. And you get up through this way. And I even sleep 6'2". I can sleep diagonally, sleep in this corner, sleep on my back, or sleep on my side. And there's still lots of room for another person sleeping diagonally. This has more storage underneath it. Some two drop closets. Put 60-liter Patagonia black hole bags. That's what we've put in there before. Got 2 of them, kind of like a his/hers closet. I'll go over some of the features. They're all solid brass hooks and lighting. That's all marine lighting and hooks. All the lights come on red when they first come on, so that you retain night vision when they first come on, so you can keep it some low light, and then you just flip them on again to turn it into full white. The windows are European domestics, built-in shade, built-in bug guard. They open and they're fully secure, all 3 sides. They open fully out. So you get a nice, good airflow coming in. We have the fan, the fantastic fan. We got 2 built-in skylights. They're Mercedes-Benz factory skylights that we framed in. Some more of the solid brass lighting, switches. Yeah, I think that's it for in here. Okay, then for power, we have 2 solar panel, 2 100-watt solar panels up top. We also have, actually, let's go back to the garage. Talk about the electronics with that. We've got the solar running there with the green lights. Below we have the battery charger that runs while the van's charging or driving. You can charge it, and then that's all marine grade electrical as well. Does well with the moisture. We have talking about the materials. We have marine grade plywood. This is birch with high pressure laminate put over the top of it. Panelings, some of the paneling, the drawers are done with a Baltic birch, finished in, this is all marine paint. Same with the inside. The inside, this is a tongue groove ship plank pine. And we have tongue groove cedar for the ceiling. and the counters and all this edging is teak. Yeah, so that's for the materials. Let's go back to the battery. So for power, we have the solar, we have the battery charger, and it's all stored here in the battery bank. We have two 100 amp hour AGM batteries, 12 volt system, so that's where we store our power.